need to move on. And that's going to be a next big step.
Yeah, some people might call it a love song.
But I get it. I don't know.
I'll tell you this much right now. If you're not a fan of derogatory words, you might want to plug your ears for that.
Oh, he's singing.
One of the most awful, horrible, terrible love songs ever written, probably in the history of mankind. Just like, maybe, I might be some white ones.
What? What?
Oh.
No, we told him that. He didn't get
Maybe now.
He didn't get the.
Ash, get your drum. Ash has a drum.
Ash and Ryder. Like
Alright,
borrow
plug
it.
it. Right on. Collins, let's hear it.
I don't need to start right now. I ain't smoking meth, motherfucker. Suck because
I'm gonna let you play a little ditty before I play.
you were probably the sweetest person ever. Here, yeah, her. 100%. And I know.
Yeah.